The fate of Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh now hangs in fire. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has called for a meeting this afternoon here in the national capital after Parambir accused Anil Deshmukh of extortion. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and NCP State Chief Jayant Patil are also going to be attending this meeting. Sanjay Raut is also going to Delhi to meet Pawar and said that Sharad Pawar might take the right decision. According to sources in Shiv Sena, Anil Deshmukh will resign in a couple of days. Yesterday, Sharad Pawar and Anil Deshmukh met in Delhi. According to sources, Pawar has told Deshmukh that he will be removed.
काही अधिकाऱ्यांच्या माध्यमातून वगैरे ज्या गोष्टी इथे घडल्या त्याच्यावरती योग्य वेळी नियंत्रण आणणं गरजेचं होतं. अशा प्रकारचे आरोप होणं कुठल्याही मंत्र्यावर किंवा सरकारवर हे नक्कीच आमच्यासारख्यांना ते सरकारच्या बाहेर आहेत पण सरकारचे हितचिंतक आहेत ज्याने सरकार यावं म्हणून थोडेफार हानीचा वाटा उचलला आम्ही सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्यासाठी हे धक्कादायक आहे आणि म्हणून म्हणतो की सरकारला 1.5 वर्ष झालेलं आहे. प्रत्येकानं सरकारमधल्या प्रत्येक घटकानं आत्मपरीक्षण करणं गरजेचं आहे.
परमवीर सिंह जी ने जो आरोप लगाया इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए और अनिल देशमुख जी अगर इसी तरह की बात करते हैं कि 100 करोड़ रुपए हमको चाहिए और हर महीने को हमको इतना पैसा चाहिए और सचिन वाजे जी से अगर उनके यहाँ ऐसी बात होती है तो मुझे लगता है कि भाई अनिल देशमुख को उस पद पर रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. उन्होंने फौरन अपने पद से इस्तीफा देने की आवश्यकता.
All right, one too many bombshells being dropped by former top cop of Mumbai, Parambir Singh, and let's get you all the latest acquisitions that have been made. Number one, Parambir says that Anil Deshmukh has asked Vaze to extort 100 crore rupees per month. A rather very grave acquisition coming in there. Number two, Parambir has pointed out that Deshmukh's misdeeds to Chief Minister in mid-March. He pointed these out to the Chief Minister that he's up to all of this. Number three, he says Anil Deshmukh called Vaze at his official residence in mid-Feb. Number four, some Maharashtra ministers are also aware of Anil Deshmukh's misdeeds, and that is a big acquisition coming in. So he's insinuating complicity of other Maharashtra ministers as well. Number five, he says Anil Deshmukh instructing officers and interfering in the probes that are being conducted by the Mumbai police. Fifth big acquisition coming in. So these are primarily the highlights of the acquisitions that have been leveled by Parambir Singh on Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister of Maharashtra. The Ambani bomb scare probe case has gotten murkier with Parambir's sensational allegations on the State Home Minister. Politics has exploded. Here's our report.
A statement given by Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh on former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh, who hit back with a bombshell letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. A letter which contains series of stunning allegations claiming Anil Deshmukh ordered arrested cop Vaze to extort rupees 100 crore every month from over 1700 Mumbai bars and restaurants. Refuting the claims, Deshmukh threatened to sue the ex-top cop, saying that Parambir is trying to defame him and Uddhav government, and questioned why he was quiet for so long. Political slugfest exploded after the sensational twist. With Uddhav government cornered, sources in the Sena say that Deshmukh will resign in a day or two. Sena singing a completely different tune than what Sanjay Raut claimed just a few days ago on India Today.
ये महाराष्ट्र की मुंबई की बात है, सीमित है. उसका दायरा बहुत
सरकार पर कोई असर नहीं होगा.
सरकार पर कोई असर नहीं होगा. अगर लगता है कोई भ्रम में है कि ये सब मामले लेकर हम दिल्ली में आएंगे और राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाएंगे तो गहरे नींद में है.
But NCP is digging in its heels, crying conspiracy.
बहुत ही नम्रतापूर्वक विनंती है परमवीर सिंह साहब से कि अगर 4 मार्च को ऐसा आपको जानने में आया तो आपने 4 मार्च से लेके 20 मार्च तक क्यों रुके? आपको इमीडिएटली दे देना चाहिए था. आज मुझे लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से सेंट्रल एजेंसीज के माध्यम से कुछ न कोई राजनीति करने की शायद कोशिश की होगी.
But sources say at a recent meet, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar had expressed his displeasure and raised complaints brought to his notice against Deshmukh. Congress, the third alliance partner, chose to play it safe.
I feel more information needs to be gathered on it. And probably when more information comes on it, if this allegation gets substantiated by some proofs, then probably we can react further.
Opposition BJP, though, has launched an all-out attack on Aghadi government, seeking Deshmukh's resignation.
ऐसे समय हमारी मांग है कि गृह मंत्री जी ने तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए
and demanding judicial intervention.
वो नहीं देते तो उनको मुख्यमंत्री जी ने हटाना चाहिए और इसकी निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए.
As the probe into Ambani bomb scare case deepens, the twists seem to be getting murkier and dirtier. Bureau Report, India Today.
The BJP is now up in arms against Maha-Aghadi government over former Mumbai Police Chief Parambir's letter. Protests were held in Mumbai with the BJP demanding resignation of Anil Deshmukh. Given the rise in Mumbai COVID cases, police had to disperse the crowd as there was no social distancing at the protest. Many of the protesters were also detained. In front of Anil Deshmukh's house in Nagpur, activists of BJP or Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, set fire to a symbolic statue of Anil Deshmukh. Police has arrested 30 activists in this incident. BJP MLA Ram Kadam has demanded a narco test for the Chief Minister and for the Home Minister. He further said that Mumbai police image has never been tarnished as much as it is under the leadership of Uddhav.
वाजे मामले में राज्य के मुखिया के तौर पे महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री तथा गृह मंत्री स्वयं की नार्को टेस्ट कराते हुए तुरंत इस्तीफा दें। जिनके नाक के नीचे आंखों के सामने इतना घिनौना दुष्कर्म हुआ है, उन्हें सत्ता पे और पद पे रहने का अधिकार कतई नहीं है।
मुंबई पुलिस आयुक्त कहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री अनिल देशमुख हर महीने उनको 100 करोड़ रुपए का कलेक्शन चाहिए था। उद्धव ठाकरे जी जवाब दो, अब तक कितना कलेक्शन वसूली सचिन वादे गैंग के जरिया आप लोगों ने की है, और परमवीर सिंह का क्या करोगे, अनिल देशमुख का क्या करोगे? दोनों को तुरंत सस्पेंड करना चाहिए।
Why this entire saga is very explosive, and the letter written by Parambir Singh to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, it is a bombshell and it is going to blow perhaps out of proportion. These are the reasons. Because number one, there is a direct allegation of a direct link between Vaze and the Maharashtra government to collect 100 crore rupees per month. It is a big extortion charge against the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Number two, it points to a deeper rot within the Mumbai police. Number three, it is coming after Anil Deshmukh said Parambir's transfer was not routine. So all of these are making the story rather very explosive. No more speculations over the letter written by Parambir Singh to Uddhav. Parambir Singh has confirmed that the letter accusing Maharashtra Home Minister of running an extortion racket is indeed written by him. This clarification is coming in after it was pointed out that the letter was unsigned and that it was sent using Gmail instead of an official email ID. Sources say Chief Minister's office contacted Parambir to confirm if the letter was indeed from him. The former Mumbai top cop has said that a signed letter will be sent to the Chief Minister very soon. In his letter to the Chief Minister, Parambir Singh has also mentioned about his WhatsApp chats with his colleague ACP Patil. The chats are definitely throwing light on the extortion racket that was allegedly being run on orders of Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Here's a look.
A stunning twist in the Ambani bomb scare case. Former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh levelling sensational charge of extortion against Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. In a letter to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, Parambir Singh details Maharashtra Mantri Anil Deshmukh's alleged misdeeds. The former Mumbai top cop, in his letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, sent his WhatsApp chats with his colleague ACP Patil, where they talk about Deshmukh running an extortion racket.
Patil, how many bars and other establishments did HM Sir and Palande mention to you when you had met them in February? And what was total expected collection they mentioned? Urgent, please.
1,750 bars and other establishments in Mumbai. Per establishment, rupees 3 lakhs. Total collection, rupees 50 crore per month approx, as per their information. Mr. Palande mentioned before DCP Bhujbal enforcement on 4th March.
And when did you meet HM sir before that?
Before 4 days for hookah briefing.
And what is date of Vaze's meeting HM sir?
Sir, I don't remember the exact date.
You said it was a few days before your meeting.
Yes, sir, but it is in end of February.
Patil, I want some more information. Did Vaze meet you after he met HM sir?
Yes, sir. Vaze met me after his meeting with HM sir.
Did he tell you anything why HM sir had called him?
The purpose of meeting was, he told me that 1,750 establishment in Mumbai, he should collect rupees 3 lakh per establishment for him, also, which will be around rupees 40 to 50 crore.
This was same as what HM sir told you.
On 4th March, his PS Palande told me the same.
Oh yes, you met Palande on the 4th.
Yes, sir, I was called.
As the Uddhav government firefights after the sensational charge by former Mumbai top cop, the big question is, will Anil Deshmukh resign? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.